Chikungunya. Chikungunya is a mosquito-borne disease. Chikungunya is a chronic viral disease caused by the chikungunya virus or chick virus. It is related to single-strand RNA virus genus alpha virus. Chikungunya can be characterized by severe arthralgia and causes severe joint pains. Chikungunya is a word derived from Swahili language. It causes severe body joint pains. It can be transmitted by vector arthropods like mosquitoes, like Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus. These are two species responsible for transmission of virus. It can be caused by chick virus. It is a single-stranded RNA virus, comes under alpha virus genus and Togaviridae family. It can be isolated in 1953 in Tanzania. It is related to arboviruses. Chikungunya virus can be transmitted from one person to the another person by biting of mosquitoes. These biting can be done during day and night. It can be caused by Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus mosquitoes. Aedes albopictus and Aedes aegypti causes transmission of chikungunya virus from one person to the another person. These two mosquitoes also spread the another fevers like for Zika fever, dengue fever, yellow fever. These mosquitoes biting both daytime and nighttime. The major symptoms of chikungunya is severe arthralgia, joint pains, and swelling of ankle and queens and wrist. Increase the fever up to 103 to 104 degrees centigrade and also causes myalgia, headache, chills, nausea, and fever. Mode of transmission from these disease most commonly transmitted from one person to the mosquito and then go for man. It can be transmitted by mosquitoes like Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus and these chikungunya fever can be transmitted from mother to fetus during pregnancy period and also transmitted from blood transfusions. The life cycle of chick virus or chikungunya virus containing three stages: initial stage, cellular stage, also called as infection stage. Third one is mosquito stage. The initial stage virus can be transmitted through the human body by biting of mosquitoes like Aedes aegypti or Aedes albopictus. These mosquitoes containing virus in their salivary glands. Once biting of mosquito, the virus can be entered into human body and enter through the all over the body and enter nose, throat and mouth. The cellular stage or infected stage start from once the virus is entered into cells of the cytoplasm, entered into nucleus and causes deposition of genetic material and replicates in the mosquitoes and transmitted through the another tissue and begin to the infect into the other cells. It proliferate into bloodstream and entire body causing infection. It is only for 2 to 12 days of infected mosquito bite that symptoms of illness occurs. The last stage is mosquito stage. When a mosquito, the above stated viremic host or human who are infected with chikungunya virus transmitted to it and replicated in the mid-gut, ovary, nervous tissues, and neural tissues and fat of the insects. The virus reproduce the and migrate into the salivary glands of mosquito. These infected mosquito bite the healthy persons. It transfer the chick virus into another person. The transmission involves two stages based on the type of transmission. It can transmit it through the animals like cats and monkeys. The cycle is called as the cycle occurs in between mosquitoes and monkeys called as salviatic cycle. The cycle occurs in between mosquitoes to the human beings called as urban cycle. This cycle involves transfer the virus from mosquitoes to the human beings. In salviatic cycle, Aedes aegypti mosquitoes breeding in the primates, rodents, and birds, and in urban cycle, mosquitoes breed in man and made containers and urban areas prefer to the feeding on humans. This is the transmission of cycle in between salviatic transmission and urban transmission. These both types causes transmission of chick virus. The most common transmission of chick virus is urban chick virus transmission. It occurs in between mosquitoes to the human beings. The human transmission can be done by biting of Aedes aegypti and biting of Aedes albopictus mosquitoes. The incubation period varies from 4 to 7 days. Chikungunya viral fever can be diagnosed by collecting the clinical data of the patient to check the patient conditions like joint pains, fever, and swelling of body parts, and also collecting the travel history of patients who are going to the chikungunya virus transmitted areas to study the epidemiology data and also conducting the chikungunya virus in laboratory. First, isolate the virus and conducting the ELISA, RT-PCR, IFA, and hemoglobin test used for detect the specific type of virus. Antibodies like IgM. Treatment: if the chikungunya viral fever, the person is feels like fever or pains, using non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen, acetaminophen, and naproxen. And also in chikungunya fever, patient is suffered with severe myalgia or arthalgia, treated by using physiotherapy and fluid maintaining fluid replacement, and also patient going exercise to free movement of joints and muscles. These are the treatment of chikungunya viral fever. Next, lymphatic filariae. This is most commonly caused by the nematodes like it is transmitted by mosquito borne and caused by the nematodes like Ochracia bancrofti, It is a also called as elephantiasis. It is most commonly caused by parasitic worms or nematodes are called as filarial worms. These are spread by the blood-feeding black flies or mosquitoes. These are most commonly caused by nematodes like Ochracia bancrofti, Brugia malaye, and also caused by Brugia timori. 90